Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need transmission work, tire repair, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to Harris Isuzu for service, you can be sure your vehicle will be taken care of by factory-trained technicians dedicated to your complete customer satisfaction. We strive to get your vehicle's maintenance and repairs done right the first time. Visit us at www.harrisisuzu.com. While you're there, get information about our high-tech collision center. Schedule a service appointment in real time. Find out about our internet specials. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Harris Isuzu is located at 20006 64th Avenue in West Linwood, Washington.